What's good? It's your boy Swim Banger, back with another unboxing. Bad packaging. But let's get right on into it.
My swag so cool, 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 my swag so cool.
This box right here. If I can, alright. Let's look at this packaging. Terrible. But anyways, it was a $15 purchase from Poshmark. I don't know exactly why I bought the shoe. I think just I really wanted to see it in person, just to see what it looked like. I don't even know if I'll wear them. Wow. These are Jordan 1s. Pink, like a canvas Jordan 1. Now, I have never seen these, so I don't know if it's real or not. I'm gonna do some more research on it. I hope it turns out to be. It's not as flimsy as I thought it was gonna be. It's actually pretty sturdy, so maybe that's a good sign. But yeah, $15. But that's it. That's the video for today. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can see when I put them up, like exactly when I put them up. And that's it. Get at your boy.